Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. It's been so long. I think it's been like maybe 2 or 3 weeks. I was sick last week and then I had some other stuff going on the weeks before that. So thanks for being patient, but I am back. And today I went for a natural look. No surprise there. And I said in my video that I was going to do a mashup of these two, but I actually didn't. I only used the Soft Glam Palette, which looks like this. I think I only used 2 colors out of here, which was the Dusty Rose and, no, 3 colors. Dusty Rose, Rustic, and something, yeah, Cypress Umber. So, if you want to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Mwah! Mwah! Bye! I swear, just give me... I don't have a microphone, but just give me a microphone. I can't sing, but I will pretend like I can. Alright, so today I don't have much time, so this is going to be like a quick look. And for my quick looks, I go to either the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, or I have to cheat. I thought I could do this from memory. Soft Glam Palette. So, ooh. I forgot all about this one. Nope, don't want to use that one. So, there's, not Modern Renaissance, is it? Anywho, off track. So, today, I'm in a rush. I think I'm going to go use like maybe 2 colors because, I've been too busy doing everything else and not getting ready like I need to be doing. So, decision. Which one should I use, y'all? This one or this one? This one or this one? This one? Which one? You know what? We're going to match it up. We're going to use both. So I think I'm going to use like the dark colors in this one because Huda Beauty. Yeah, because I want to use a brown. And Huda Beauty Nude Palette doesn't have a brown. So I think the first color I'm going to go in with is Rustic, which is this color right here. And I'm going to put this in my outer V and maybe blend it down. Yeah, blend it down. Okay, let's get started. Shall we? Let me pause for the calls because this is how you know I haven't done makeup in so long. I was just about to put on some eyeshadow and I didn't prime my eyes or nothing. Knowing that if I put that eyeshadow on my eyes right now, it's just going to slide right off in about an hour. Whew, what was I thinking? I'm glad I caught myself because who child? And I would have been like, where did my eyeshadow go? I'm one of those people that actually needs a primer. And I'm using my Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. Okay, so I'm going in with my matte Painterly Paint Pot to prime the eyes. And then I'm going to sing a little bit. And then I'm going in with my Kat Von D translucent powder and my Sephora brush to set the primer. And then we're going to go in with Rustic from that Soft Glam palette as the transition shade. I need another, and this is the part of the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab. I need another blending brush. This is the JH 32, and I'm also using the JH 33. I'm using this bigger blending brush. I'm just blending out that color into my crease so it's not so harsh. Between the 2 brushes, as I stated, with this brown shade out of the Soft Glam palette. I'm going in with the smaller blending brush to apply the color, and I'm going in with the larger blending brush to buff out the color so there are no harsh lines. both from that same palette, and this is going to be my lid color, and I'm applying this with the eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to go in with that dark brown color to use strictly in my outer V to give me just a little bit of smoke. Lashes on, and time for foundation. I'm going in with my Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation in the color Bisque, which is 425. Applying it with a foundation brush and blending it out with my Makeup Addiction sponge. No shower there. Same technique I use all the time. I'm a creature of habit. I'm going in with my Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer. I didn't try their foundation, but going in with the Shape Tape Concealer in medium, and I'm using this to contour underneath the eye, down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead, which are the natural areas where light hits. And then I'm going in with my LA Girl Cosmetics. Sorry I didn't film it. LA Girl Cosmetics Dark Cocoa, and oh, I forget the other one. It's Dark Cocoa, and it's another color that I use. I'll put it in the bottom bar as my contour colors, and I use this to apply on my forehead, around my forehead, and underneath my cheekbones to give my face more structure. And taking the Makeup Addiction sponge and blending that out. Translucent powder, which has been my fave recently. I'm applying this with the Makeup Addiction sponge, and to set my contour, I'm going to go in with Lush's Cosmetics Matte Drama palette, and I'm going to use the lighter of the two shades and one tap of the darker shade. Sharpen up that cheekbone, y'all, with my Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm using the Makeup Addiction sponge to do this. one that I always use. As I say in previous videos, I'm not really a big blush fan, so once I find one that I really like, I overuse it. So I'm going with my Pacifica Beauty Tenderhearted blush, and then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Gold Addict highlighter and using that to highlight. And I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collab highlighter as well because I am extra. And I'm going in with my Whirl lip liner, and I'm going to put my oh baby on top, and that is it. Thanks for watching. Sorry it's been so long. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.